Alright, welcome to Those Guys Breaks. We're here doing a 2-box MLB Topps Triple Thread baseball mixer box break. It's not really a mixer. The teams have already been randomized. The names have been randomized. We'll go over them one more time. The Atlanta Braves are Jason B. Texas Rangers, William K. Washington Nationals, Patrick P. Cincinnati Reds, William K. Kansas City Royals, Reese K. Los Angeles Angels, Eric G. William K. San Francisco Giants, Boston Red Sox, Reese K. Colorado Rockies, Reese K. Chicago White Sox, Patrick P. Reese K. Milwaukee Brewers, Detroit Tigers, David L. New York Mets, David L. St. Louis Cardinals, William K. Toronto Blue Jays, Chris M. Los Angeles Dodgers, Chris M. San Diego Padres, William K. Miami Marlins, Jason B. Oakland Athletics, Quintella M. Cleveland Indians, Chris M. Jim B. Tampa Bay Rays, Pittsburgh Pirates, Chris M. Minnesota Twins, Quintella M. New York Yankees, William K. Houston Astros, Jim B. Philadelphia Phillies, William K. Baltimore Orioles, Eric G. Chicago Cubs, William K. Seattle Mariners, Kyle H. and Arizona Diamondbacks, Kyle H. Those are the teams. If y'all are ready to rip these bad boys open, type RIP. Knock them over. Harbinky's ready. Oh, Harbinky. Alright, well, I'll just go with the first box here. Box number 2, since it is number 2 on the list. Number 1, but it's number 2. Something like that. Something along them lines. Too many boxes. I'll break the one on the left first. Empty box, empty box. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to reach over some stuff. Let me back this camera up a little bit so we can get some room here so we can see what's going on. Empty box. Alright, here we go. Empty like your soul. Yeah, I hear you. Alright, up first for the Los Angeles Dodgers, Adrian Gonzalez. Base. Chicago White Sox, number 281 of 354, Chris Sale. Seattle Mariners, base, King Griffey Jr. For the New York Mets, base, Jake DeGrom. Base. For the Texas Rangers, Yu Darvish. Kind of disappointing to see him get hurt so early in the season. Ooh, nice little rookie here for the Minnesota Twins, number 48 of 99, Mr. Byron Buxton. Sure to be a superstar before too long, fellas. Byron Buxton. And number 3 of 36 for the Milwaukee Brewers, Ryan Braun. Relic. Sorry, OC. For the Pittsburgh Pirates, number 25 of 125, Mr. Honest Wagner. And for the Atlanta Braves, number 241 of 354, Mr. Chippa Jones. For the Miami Marlins, base, Giancarlo Stanton. For the Chicago White Sox, base, Frank Thomas. And for the Seattle Mariners, not your rookie Ichiro, but a base, Randy Johnson, the Unit. That's a horrible nickname, the Unit. And for the Washington Nationals, autograph relic, number 99 of 99, eBay 1 of 1, Ryan Zimmerman. It's a nice hit there.
That is a nice card there.
And this is a nice one here. I like it. Number 26 of 27, triple relic for the Yankees, the Reds, and the Mariners.
That is sweet.
Brian McCann, Devin Mesoraco, and Mike Zunino. What we'll do is, since there's 3 teams here, we'll random the teams here so that, we'll find out who the winner of that is. But 3 different teams, so it'll be random off. Yeah, unless there's a majority rules. If there's a majority rules on that, then let me check. OC, I think you might wind up winning this one, buddy.
He's got the Yankees and the Reds, I think.
Yep. Okay, that'll go to OC Fight Back. He's got a majority on that. He's got 2 of the 3 teams. Sorry about that, Kyle. Nice card, though, 26-27.
That's nasty.
We do more. All right. Box number 2. Yeah, man, they did a good job on this product this year. Of course, I like last year's too. So. Empty box. Feels kind of fat. Feels like a fat pack.
Uh-oh. That one in both.
Empty box. Maybe it's not, man. It was just my imagination. I don't know. Well, Kyle, OC on 2 of the 3 teams, so on a majority ownership, it'll go to that person. Unless both agree to random, and I can random it. But with it being a majority, that's how we usually do it. So, all right, Seattle Mariners, number 31 of 125. The big unit again, Randy Johnson. $31 of 125, Randy Johnson. 274 of 354, my boy Jason Hayward. Another mistake the Braves made this past offseason. St. Louis Cardinals, Jason Hayward, 274 of 354. Oh, I got you. I'm sorry, man. There's probably so many people on tonight, so. For the Oakland Athletics, Sonny Gray, base, Oakland Athletics, Sonny Gray base. Where we froze at? Mic check, vid check. Hey, try to refresh. Try to refresh your browser there, Marlo. I'll hold up. Okay. Everybody else is good, so it may just be your browser. Okay. Yeah, usually it does that when there's a lot of people on at one time. Servers can't really keep up, I don't guess.
No, he's stuck on the last card. He's good.
Okay.
That's the last card, Marlo.
Sonny Gray was the last card. For the Chicago White Sox again, Chris Sale, base.
That's a nice base coming up.
Yeah, it is. Base for the Atlanta Braves. You're one and only, Hamlin Hank Aaron. Hammer and Hank. That's a nice one. That's really nice.
Nice.
Number 28 of 75 for the New York Yankees. Didi Gregorius. OC Fight Dot. Nice card, man. That red signature. Nice. 28 of 75. Wow. California Angels. Legends. Number 33 of 36. LA Angels.
California Angels.
Rod Carew. Old Hot Rod. It's a nice card right there. Eric G. Nice. Last pack. Last pack.
Marlo, you caught up yet?
He's not even on anymore. Last pack mojo. Last pack. Well, I can get it open. Last pack mojo. For you New York Mets, number 80 of 99, Daniel Murphy. 80 of 99 for the New York Mets, Daniel Murphy. Let me get my focus right. There we go. For the New York Yankees, 131 of 250, Masahiro Tanaka. Well, he had a horrible game the other night, which I'm not complaining. I mean, I'm not too much of a Yankees fan. I like players on the Yankees team. I don't care for the Yankees. But he didn't pitch too well the other night. And for the St. Louis Cardinals, Stan the Man Musial. Come on, camera. What's going on with this thing? There we go. Base, Stan Musial, base. For the New York Yankees again, base, Mr. Don Mattingly. For the Atlanta Braves, base, Johnny Smoltz. Johnny Smoltz. For the Toronto Blue Jays, number 56 of 75, Dalton Pompey.
Yeah, that's a sweet looking card there.
Dalton Pompey. And last but not least, final card, Cincinnati Reds, number 3 of 27, Aroldis Chapman. Aroldis Chapman. Well, I mean, those 2 boxes wasn't bad at all. What do y'all think? I think they were pretty good.
The cards look sweet.
And here's the beauty of it. The case hit has not been pulled. Case hit has not been pulled. Here we'll do a little bit of a recap here if I can get these cards straight. My beautiful assistant put them in all different kind of ways. All right, so we got Rod Carew for the Angels, Didi Gregorius for the Yankees. That's a nice card. That's a really nice card. Red signature. Here is the triple relic. Don McCann, Devin Mesoraco, Mike Zunino. Ryan Zimmerman, number 99 of 99. eBay 1 of 1. Byron Buxton, 48 of 99. Give me the hits. Ryan Brown, 3 of 36. Dalton Pompey, 56 of 75 for the Blue Jays. And then Aroldis Chapman for the Reds, 3 of 27. Not a bad case at all, guys. Not a bad case. I'm sorry, not a bad couple of boxes. Not a bad couple of boxes. Y'all still with me? Still here?